who needs in-person identity verification, and who does not. The Social Security Administration will require in-person identity verification for certain benefits only if you don't have a My Social Security online account. If you do have a My Social Security account, you do not need to go to an office. You'll need to verify your identity in person only if 1. You're applying for retirement benefits. 2. Survivor benefits after a spouse passes. 3. Auxiliary benefits, spousal or child. 4. You're changing your direct deposit or mailing address. If you can't use online services, call to schedule an appointment instead of walking in. Exceptions apply for Medicare, SSDI, and SSI. Those can still be handled online or by phone. SSA says this change improves security and fraud prevention, not to block seniors from benefits. Beware of scam texts or emails. SSA will never text you to verify your identity. Do your own research first.